What if I told you your body already gave you the instruction manual that you need? You just probably haven't read it yet. Today, I'm going to be talking all about your DNA. Your DNA is not a diagnosis, it's not a prediction of the future, and it's definitely not here to scare you. But I want you to think of your DNA like the settings menu on your phone. It doesn't decide what apps you'll download. It just tells you how your phone prefers to run. Some phones love low power mode, and some need more memory, and some actually overheat when you push them too hard. Same thing with your body. Your DNA doesn't tell you what will happen to you. It tells you how your body prefers to work. And once you know that, everything, your energy, your mood, detox, even stress, starts to make a whole lot more sense. And I'm excited to share that with you because now that I found this, it has made my health and wellness journey even better. So let me show you how I read mine and why this changed everything for me in this last year. But before I do that, I just want to be really clear about something. I'm not a medical doctor, and this is not a medical test. So please be sure to consult your medical physician if you're looking for medical advice. I started out with Ancestry DNA. You can order this off of Amazon. I'll put a link below so that you can get access to that. This test is not for testing disease, and it's not for looking for problems. And I'm definitely not using this test to try and predict my future. What I want is the raw data. So once you have your Ancestry kit from Amazon, you're going to spit in a cup and you're going to send it off to the lab. And within a couple weeks, you're going to get a notification that your DNA is ready. And if you download my guide below, I'm going to show you how to download that off of ancestry.com. Think of it like this. It's like learning whether your car runs better on regular gas or premium gas. Same car, same engine, just different support. Your DNA actually works the same way. This isn't about what's wrong with your body. It's about how your body processes things, how your body detoxes, how you handle stress, how you use specific vitamins, and how your energy systems work. And because I know this can feel overwhelming at first, I made a really simple guide below with a step-by-step, but I'm going to walk you through how to do this as well and what it's going to look like. Okay, so once you have your DNA data, the next question is, now what? This is where Genetic Genie comes in. Genetic Genie is basically a translator for your DNA. Your DNA is written in a language made of letters and numbers, and unless you're a genetic scientist, that means absolutely nothing to most of us. Genetic Genie takes those DNA letters and it turns them into simple color-coded reports that real humans can actually understand. It's not diagnosing you, it's not predicting your future, it's just organizing your information. So basically, it's Google Translate for your DNA. Same information, just finally in a language that you can read. So there are two main reports that we're going to talk about. The first one is the detox profile, and this shows how your body prefers to process things like toxins, chemicals, hormones, and everyday environmental stressors. It helps explain why detox looks different for different people. The second one report is the methylation profile, and this one's all about how your body turns things on and off: energy, mood, stress, response, even how you use certain vitamins. If you've ever wondered why the same supplement works amazing for one person and not so great for another, this report explains that. These reports don't tell you what's wrong with you. They will just show you how your body is wired so that you can support it in a smarter way instead of guess. The first one is the detox profile, and I want to clear up a huge misconception. Detox is not a juice cleanse. Detox is how your liver, gut, and cells take out the trash every single day. No matter what you eat, no matter what supplements you take, your body is always detoxing. So this report shows how well your body prefers to handle things like chemicals, hormones like estrogen, smoke, pollution, alcohol, medications, everyday toxins. It's not asking if you detox, it's showing how efficiently your body does it. Now let's talk about the colors, because this is where people get nervous and they don't need to be. Green means that that pathway is working perfectly normal. Yellow means it's a little bit slower or it's done differently. And red means that pathway needs extra support. Red does not mean broken. It does not mean damaged. It means it needs support. And this is so good for us to know. So here are a few examples of what you'll see on this report. No memorization required. Okay, the CYP genes are like your liver cleanup crew. They help your body break down chemicals, medications, and hormones. The GST genes are your antioxidant helpers. They help neutralize toxins so your body can safely remove them. And the SOD2 is what I call your body's rust protection gene. It helps protect your cells from oxidative stress, basically wear and tear. So when you see these highlighted in different colors, it's just showing how much support that pathway likes. The beauty is all of this, the pathways, the colors, the genes, you're seeing it clearly laid out in the genetic genie detox profile. Nothing's hidden, nothing's mysterious, just organized information. Every single human has yellows or reds on this report. That's not a problem. This is simply information, and information gives you power. So now that you understand how your body takes the trash out, now let's talk about the next report, which explains how your body turns things on and off. Now we're talking the methylation profile, and this one is a big deal. Methylation is simply how your body turns things on and off. Think of it like light switches in your house. Energy, mood, detox, hormones. Methylation is what helps decide how smoothly all of that will run. So this report affects things people ask me about all the time: your energy levels, anxiety and mood, focus and mental clarity, how fast you detox, and how balanced your hormones feel. So if you've ever thought, why do I feel so different than everyone else? This report will give you the answers you're looking for. I'm going to walk you through a few key genes you'll see, not so you have to memorize them, but so you can understand the themes. First one is MTHFR. This gene helps your body use folate, which is B vitamin. If this pathway runs a little slow, it doesn't mean you need more vitamins. It usually means you need different forms of vitamin B, not more, just smarter. Next is COMT. This one helps break down the stress hormone. So if COMT runs slower, stress can hang around longer in your body. That can feel like being wired, overwhelmed, or emotionally fried. Then there's MAO-A. This gene helps clear neurotransmitters, things that affect how you feel emotionally. When this pathway needs support, emotions can feel more intense. Not wrong, just strong. And then one of my favorites is VDR, the vitamin D receptor. And if you know me, I'm always saying, have you checked your vitamin D levels? This doesn't show how much vitamin D is in your blood. It shows how well your body actually uses vitamin D, which is why two people can have the same lab numbers and feel completely different. All of these pathways, the MTHFR, the COMT, MAO-A, and the VDR, are laid out clearly in the genetic genie methylation profile. Nothing scary, nothing predictive, just insight on how your body prefers to function. This isn't about labeling yourself, it's about understanding yourself. And once you understand how your switches work, you can stop forcing your body and start supporting your body. Now that you understand detox and methylation, let's talk about why this knowledge is empowering and not overwhelming. I want you to pause for just a moment because this part really matters. If you hear nothing else in this video, I want you to hear this. You're not broken. You're not defective. You are custom designed. Your genes do not decide your destiny. They don't tell you what will happen. They tell you how to support your body better. There's a word for this, and it's called epigenetics. It simply means this: your genes respond to your life, your environment, your food, your stress levels, your sleep, the supplements you choose. All of these things influence how your genes behave. You're not stuck. You're not powerless. You have influence. So if something hasn't worked for you in the past, if supplements made you feel worse instead of better, if a protocol helped everyone else but not you, that doesn't mean you failed. It means your body was asking for different support. This information isn't here to label you. It's here to free you. When you understand how you're designed, you can stop fighting your body and you can start partnering with it. And that changes everything. I want to share this next part really honestly, not as an expert, but more of as a human. Learning this about my DNA has helped me understand things I've been confused about for years. why certain supplements felt amazing for other people and overwhelming for me, why my energy doesn't respond the way that I thought it should, why I had a stroke at 33. And now that I understand that, I process stress differently. I actually have a genetic predisposition for blood clots. And knowing all of that has helped me naturally support my body in a way that hopefully will prevent a stroke in the future. Once I understood how my body processes things, I stopped throwing everything at it and I started getting a lot more intentional with the supplements that I'm using. Not more supplements, just the ones that are most effective for me. I chose the right oils that could support calming and grounding instead of pushing my body harder. I adjusted my lifestyle. I got things like my vibration plate, my beamer, red light therapy, a sauna. I got these things that could give my body the proper support that it was looking for based off of my DNA results. But honestly, the biggest change wasn't physical. It was emotional. I stopped being frustrated with my body and I stopped thinking something was wrong with me and I started giving myself grace. This information didn't give me rules, it gave me understanding. And understanding changes how you treat yourself. You don't need to fix your body, you just need to listen to it. And this helps me to finally do that. So if you're feeling curious about your own body now, let me show you how to take the first step. The first step is really simple. You grab an Ancestry DNA kit in the link below, the same one people use for family history information to download, and then we're going to download the raw data once you get your results. Then we're going to upload that into Genetic Genie, and that's where you're going to start learning about how your body works. Download my guide below, and I'll give you some ChatGPT prompts that will help you in this process as you're processing your DNA. And just so we're clear, this is for education and empowerment. It's not medical advice. This isn't about diagnosing anything. It's about understanding your body better so you can support it with more intention and a lot more grace. So if this resonates with you, take the step, hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Give it a thumbs up, comment below, and let me know if you're going to get a DNA kit. Remember, your body is wise, and learning how you're designed is always a gift.